What's up, guys? Today I'm back and I got a review of this iPad right here. Now this is the 2017 model, so it's 3 years old, and we're going to be doing a little review here, see how it holds up. New iPad Pro just released, so we're going to compare it to the iPads and just see how it holds up. And if you can find like an iPad on Craigslist or eBay or something, I'm just going to let you guys know if it's worth just buying a new iPad or saving your money and getting an older one. So yeah, let's get right into this. So if you're gonna consider getting this iPad, probably the first question is, why would I get this over the newest, like the 7th gen iPad? Or should I go for the iPad Air? Should I go for the iPad Pro? What are the differences, like the pros and the cons? Because you can probably find this for probably like 150-ish on eBay or Craigslist or whatever. So I'm going to tell you guys why. And it's just not like this is better than the 7th gen. It depends really what you want, as pretty much everything in life. But this has the smart case on it. So I've done a review on this on my channel. If you guys want to watch that, I'll link to it just up there in the right corner. So here it is. You can see it's very, very worn out. I don't know if you guys can see this here. Hopefully it focuses. Crap, it's not focusing. Focus. Okay, doesn't want to. There we go. It's extremely frayed, and it's old, and the dirt on the underside, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, this is the smart cover. Still works. Magnetically attaches to the side here, and just go like that. Boom, snapshot, and as you guys can see, open it, turns on, closes it, turns off. So it's good. I don't know if that functionality, the on-off thing, like you can get third-party cases like that, but anyways, this is my MacBook Air in the background. If you guys want to see a review on that, just let me know. Let's put that out of the way. So yeah, so here's the iPad. So let's talk about some other iPads. So for example, the Apple website here. So the new iPad Pro. So this is probably the easiest thing. If you want this iPad, this is a basic iPad. So this one does not support, like this model right here, does not support the Apple Pencil or the Apple keyboard. It does not support either of them. Whereas the newest, where is it? Yeah, this one, their most popular iPad, I guess, supports the Apple Pencil and the keyboard. We'll get into that later. So the iPad Pro. If you want this, it's not even in competition, because this way more powerful, better cameras. You got Face ID. You got the best Apple Pencil, which that one's much better, especially because you don't want to charge it up the side port right here. And this is for the pros, exactly. If you're video editing a lot, or like really heavy videos, if you're doing a lot of photo editing, if you need for like businesses or anything like that, then this is what to use it for. So yeah, it's pretty fine line, or big line. I don't even know. It's pretty easy if you want an iPad Pro or this. The iPad Air. Now this is where it starts to get a little bit like more. It depends. So the iPad Air starts at, I believe, $650. Let's see here. But the iPad Air, it's like a hybrid between the Pro. It's like iPad semi-Pro. Yeah, so $650 for 64 gigabyte. It's thinner than this iPad. It does have a bigger screen. It's got the smart keyboard and the Apple Pencil. But I'm just gonna say, and it's got a little bit better processing. If you want to get something that's not this, I would say go for the iPad. Starts at $329. You get the smart keyboard functionality, and you get an Apple Pencil. It's the same thing. Yes, this one's a little thinner, and it is a little bit better. But honestly, I think this is a really good deal. So now let's talk about this iPad versus this one right there. So, sorry, stupid Instagram group chats. So if you need something super cheap and you're just looking for like watching YouTube or surfing the web, a little bit of Netflix, a little bit of web browsing, just all that stuff, this is like what I use this for. I don't really edit videos. All the YouTube videos I edit on this boy right there. and listen to music. You got Apple Music. Once again, you got iPad OS, as you can see, running iPad OS right here, latest software. Got all the widgets, everything. You know, got the wallpaper, all that good stuff. But yeah, so it depends. If you want a new one, this is obviously going to be more future-proof. It's got the Apple Pencil. That's the big thing. If you want the Apple Pencil on the Smart Keyboard, get that one. If you don't really need it, then get this one, or a newer but older, like the 6th gen. This is the 5th gen. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the comparisons. And yeah. I primarily use this iPad for media consumption. So that's like YouTube videos, web browsing, a lot of games. iPads are really good for games. So let's just see how this holds up. So it does have lightning, and after 3 years of usage, there's a dent right there, if you would focus. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little nick right there, a little dent. The sides are a little bit banged up. There's a dent right there. Wow, that looks pretty bad on camera. It's not terrible, but there's a dent there. A couple of scuffs on the corner here. It's kind of not focusing right now, but some scuffs there. The camera glass not shattered. The camera quality, it's decent. I'll put a photo up on screen. There you go. That's the camera quality. But yeah, it's held up pretty well. And battery life. So right now, it's at 28%, and I would say this gives me good 6 hours a day of medium usage. Not like heavy. I'm not like doing a bunch of stuff, but not just surfing the web. I'm playing some games, some stuff. So yeah, like let's say if I'm just trying to, just play like a game here or whatever, it's pretty good. And so this one big thing about the display is, I don't know if you guys can see it here. I'm gonna bring the camera in a little bit closer. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. My blinds, can't even see it, man. It's hard to see on camera, but the screen is not laminated to the display. So what that means is, if we can, man, I don't know why it's not. It's probably because there's no color right there. It's hard too because I have black bezels on this device, so. But basically, there's a little like air gap. Maybe see if I go like this. You can't see it because oh, there you go. So if you guys see right there, there's like a little air gap between the display and the actual like the glass. So it's not laminated. It's honestly, if you get a black like a space gray, because then you get the black bezels, you can't even, it's not that noticeable. If you are getting a white device, it is a little bit like a white bezel device, so that's silver or gold. It's a little bit more noticeable, but it's not that big of a deal. It's not like a big game changer or whatever, but that's just to note. And it is 60 hertz display, so you don't got the nice 120 hertz super nice scrolling. But that's that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. But overall, it's a good device. I like it. I can't really leave a link to this device because Apple doesn't sell it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any video ideas or whatever, leave them in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing and leave a thumbs up. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.